babadde kikirabangako mu kuleeta Masaka wano naye babaddewo emikolo emirala
omuwala gundi
That is for free. And the matter was later reported to me in the police station. Namaya Jafari, she shared the same video with her. Detained and upon interrogation, she admitted the one being her phone was recovered and exhibited.
You're charged with aggravated torture complex section 415H with the prevention and prohibition of the Torture Act 2012. Details of the offense are the junior magistrate during the period between September and October 2024 at Minyoni A zone in the Masaka city, immediately before or immediately after. Defecated, urinated, and made Semakola David Eyaliisa, a child aged 11 months old, drink it and smear her feces on the said Semakola David Eyaliisa.
She urinated in a cup and then forced him to drink the urine.
wafuka mu kikopo era n'owukako omwana n'omusulo wali.
Since the feces could not drop into the child's mouth as she was defecating, she picked the dropped feces and fed him using the fingers.
Agamba olwokubanga kuko oyo yali tasobola genda mutwamwanga okukama wakwata oyo eyali ebbali n'omupaka n'omuliisa okwange.
Afterwards, she bathed the child properly to avoid him from smelling the feces.
Oluvannyuma wanaazi omwana asobole okutabona.
And when the mother returned, she picked him without noticing anything unusual.
Maama w'omwana bwe yadda ewaka omwana yamukiba yategedde ekisomo ky'amu.
11, 77, 60. Yoram was examined on police form 3.
Agamba omwana semukula David yaterebwa
On the 4th November 2024
ng'alina mwezi guno
by Dr. Karema Habat
era Dr. Kalema ye yamukolako yamuterera
from Masaka Regional Referral Hospital.
wano eddwaliro ly'e Masaka.
He only had healing bruises just below the left eye
Nti omwana
by the same Dr. Karema Habat
agamba naawe omusawo yemu yakuteera
on police form 24 and was found to be 33 years old
era ne kizuulwa ng'ali erina emyaka 33
with a normal mental status.
era netegeera bulungi obulungi obukola bulungi.
On the 5th November
Nataano omwezi guno
2024,
omwaka guno
on the 5th November 2024, the accused's seral status was examined. The accused's seral status was examined and she was found to be HIV positive. The offense she committed attracts a maximum of life imprisonment.
agamba omusango wazza ogulina kusizibwa obulamu bwo bwonna.
The way she committed the offense was in an inhuman way,
Engeri gye wazaamu omusango ogwo tekyali kya bulizi.
on an innocent child
Omwana atalina musango
who was exposed to dangerous diseases, among which was HIV.
omwana eyali asobola okufuna endwadde ng'ennyonga.
And at the moment, the child is undergoing the treatment.
Era nga ssaawa zino omwana ali mu kufuna obujjanjabi obuyitibwa
The character of the convict is not fit to live in society. Innocent children need to be protected from such people. It was only luck that she reported herself and the video went into circulation.
agamba gwali mukisa nti wekwata akatambi era nekagenda nga katambula.
Otherwise, you never know how many kids have been exposed to such. The sentence given to the convict should be a message to the public that there is no room for torture, especially to children who are innocent.
agamba ekibonerezo ekinakuweera obeera obubaka eri abantu wali.
Your Worship, as the prosecution, if you are not contented to give a maximum of life imprisonment, we pray that at least you don't go below 30 years.
The convict is the first time
though the convict pleaded guilty and did not waste court's time, the actions of the convict are so grave and barbaric, inhuman, and the convict does not deserve leniency whatsoever. I agree with the state that there is need to protect young innocent children from people like the convicts who are taking advantage of the innocent children to do all sorts of acts that are so inhuman. There are so many people out there that do the same to the innocent children but to go free. So the sentence shall serve as the message to those so many people like her never to do such acts to the innocent souls. The victim pleaded guilty from onset. She seems remorseful. She did not waste court's time. I think she deserves the second chance when she served her sentence. I will therefore sentence her to 35 years in prison. And so
Omukazi wa tambulina
That's mafumbi. Ale nayo jewa. Hey.
What I'm boy kwese. I have you here.
Nakwenda we transfer mega jengo. Ale mafumbi kamala okuvaana ku Kkooti. Ekirala. Eno story y'ono omukazi